Your eyes are the window to the world, and we bet you want to keep them healthy. Unfortunately, they aren't immune to aging. Eye health concerns like failing eyesight, cataracts, and eye strain become more likely with age. The good news is even though aging is inevitable, you can significantly reduce the risk of eye health problems by living a healthy lifestyle. In today's video, we'll be talking about foods that can help protect your eyes. Can eggs really do the trick? What about oranges and fish? We'll be talking about all this and more. Begin your eye health journey with eggs. Eggs are a healthy breakfast to have regularly. They're packed with essential nutrients and minerals like calcium, phosphorus, and iron. If you want to protect your eyes, eggs must be a part of your diet. Mainly because the egg yolk contains vitamin A and zinc, both of which are vital to maintaining your eye health. Vitamin A in particular is necessary for protecting the cornea and the surface of your eye, while zinc ensures your retina, which is the back of the eye, is in good health and helps you see better at night. Egg yolk also contains lutein and zeaxanthin. This reduces the risk of getting eye-related issues such as cataracts. They also ensure you don't suffer age-related eye issues like macular degeneration. You can incorporate eggs into practically every meal, so adding them to your diet shouldn't be difficult. Try boiling an egg for breakfast or chopped up and included in salads. You can also make an egg sandwich. Boiled eggs are the best option. They're nutritious and low in calories. Omelets and other such egg preparations usually are rich in butter and oil. This increases their caloric value. Whatever you do, just remember not to eat eggs raw, especially when pregnant. Raw eggs risk carrying salmonella, which can lead to food poisoning. Allergic to eggs? Don't worry, we have a plant-based option next on our list that will boost your eye health.
Start your healthy eye diet plan by eating carrots regularly. There's a reason why you never saw Bugs Bunny sporting eyeglasses. Remember how he was constantly munching on carrots? This crunchy snack definitely did him a huge favor. Carrots are famously known for the benefits they offer to eye health. They have not only vitamin A, but also the all-important beta-carotene. Beta-carotene is necessary for your body to make vitamin A, which helps protect the cornea. It also helps in preventing eye infections. Carrots are also easy to include in your diet. You can have them as a snack by eating them raw or including them in a soup or salad. Baby carrots can also be a snack or shredded and added to pancake batter or even made into carrot cake muffins. Have you ever tasted carrot pudding? If not, now you have all the more reason to give this delicious carrot-based dessert a try. Eggs and carrots sound great, but what if you're in the mood for a refreshing fruit? Is there an eye-friendly fruit you can eat whenever you want? Well, let's find out.
Eat oranges for better eye health. Oranges and other citrus fruits are also essential in protecting your eyes. Oranges are a good source of vitamin C, which is a necessary nutrient to maintain your eye health. Vitamin C makes sure the blood vessels in your eyes are healthy. The vitamin C in oranges can combine with other vitamins and minerals to help prevent cataracts. They also reduce the risk of macular degeneration that comes with age. Eating a flavonoid-rich food like an orange once a week reduces the chances of macular degeneration by almost 60% in those over 43. What a refreshing way to boost your eye health!
Now there's more of a reason to eat fish regularly. Fish and chips are a great lunch option. You'll be happy to learn that this protein-rich meal can also give you good eyesight. Fish are a healthy food source and should be included in your regular diet for various reasons. One such benefit is their ability to protect your eyes. Salmon, in particular, is very beneficial to have regularly. Most fish have omega-3 fatty acids. These fatty acids are essential to improve your vision by maintaining the health of your retina. They also ensure that you don't have dry eyes, which can happen if you spend too much time with a computer and mobile screens. You should try to have 2 servings of fish weekly, salmon being the best choice. If you choose salmon, it's best to go for wild-caught salmon. Farm-raised salmon comes with more saturated fat and fewer omega-3 fatty acids. Other fish high in omega-3 fatty acids include anchovies, mackerel, sardine, and trout. 2 servings of fish a week should be the minimum to help protect your eyes.
Almonds aren't just for snacking on the go. Almonds are also an excellent addition to your diet if you want to protect your eyes, as they contain vitamin E. This particular vitamin helps prevent any unstable molecules from harming healthy tissues. This includes protecting you from cataracts and macular degeneration that comes with old age. To get the best out of this vitamin, you should get at least 15 milligrams of vitamin E daily. Eating 1 serving of almonds, around a quarter cup, gives you half the vitamin E you need. Other nuts you can include to get your dose of vitamin E are peanuts and sunflower seeds. The great thing about almonds is that you can add them to your cereal or salads, but be mindful of the number of almonds you consume as they're also high in calories. This means chocolate-covered almonds are a big no if you're trying to live a healthy lifestyle. Don't pollute the goodness of almonds with the harmful effects of sugar-rich chocolate syrups. Instead, eat roasted almonds.
Like it or not, kale should be in your diet. It's challenging for some people to get to like kale, but this green leafy veggie is a powerhouse of several nutrients, including antioxidants. Kale has become quite popular as a superfood, and with good reason. Among the many benefits it offers, kale helps improve your eye health. Kale is a good source of lutein, which is an antioxidant that also is present in eggs. This antioxidant ensures you don't suffer macular degeneration as you grow older. It also protects you from getting cataracts. Because your body can't produce lutein, you must obtain it through your diet. The recommended amount of lutein that your body needs every day is 10 milligrams. 1 serving of kale, which comes up to 100 milligrams, gives you just over 11 milligrams of lutein. Kale can be used in a variety of dishes and can be even made into snack chips. Try sautéing kale for a side dish or use it as a salad base.
Thankfully, you don't need to cut back on dairy products. Dairy products, such as yogurt, are an excellent option to include in your diet to protect your eyes. Dairy products contain vitamin A and zinc. Vitamin A is necessary to help protect the cornea of your eyes. Zinc is vital in bringing vitamin A from your liver to your eyes. Zinc is present all over the eye, including the retina and underlying tissue. Zinc is also an essential mineral to help you see better in the dark. Dairy products can be very effective in preventing age-related macular degeneration. This means being protected against blurry vision as we age. You can consume dairy products throughout the day with each meal. You can drink a glass of milk or have it as part of your tea or coffee, or have yogurt as a healthy breakfast meal or as a quick snack.
Moving on, you should consider eating sweet potatoes for healthy eyes. Potatoes are a favorite dish for most people and can be included in several cuisines. Sweet potatoes are a variety of potatoes that are not just about taste, but also improving your eye health. Sweet potatoes are a good source of beta-carotene, which your body can convert into vitamin A. This helps your body avoid eye-related issues such as cataracts and night blindness. This vitamin also helps ensure you don't have dry eyes, which usually happens when staring too long at computer screens. You can have sweet potatoes grilled, as fries, as toppings for your salad, or on its own mashed. Either way, this vegetable is very easy to incorporate into your diet. Give it a try.
Last on our list is beef. Do you love eating steak? Well, now you have all the more reasons to include beef in your diet. Lean meats, especially beef, can be very beneficial for your eyesight, as they're a rich source of protein. Beef is an excellent source of zinc, which has been linked to better eye health. As we covered earlier, this vital mineral can also prevent macular degeneration. Other lean meats, such as chicken and pork, can also give you the zinc you need daily. Beef is also a good source of vitamin A. Zinc and vitamin A is good for your cornea and retina. The cornea is the outside covering of your eye, while the retina is the layer of cells lining the back wall inside the eye. Vitamin A is also an essential component of a unique protein in your eyes that allows you to see in low-light conditions. If you include meat in your diet, make sure it's lean cuts. You should also eat it in moderation so you don't pack on calories. Interested in learning more about your eyes? Let's keep the conversation going with a couple more eye-related videos, shall we? Here's what you need to know. Check out what your eye color says about you, or 7 ways to safely remove something stuck in your eye. Go ahead, click one, or better yet, watch both and learn more about what your eyes say about your health. Are you planning on including any of these foods in your daily diet? Let us know in the comments below.